Our song this week, we can't reveal. It's under this hat. Just give you a sneak peek.
I'm a song.
No? Are you there? What?
When you say boobs, do you mean the full breast or just the nipple?
I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be
Quite finished.
even if the sky is falling down. I know
Thank you so much.
we're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
No way, no way.
Just do one word.
I'm a vocalist.